Hey, what's up, guys? This is Estacio, Alex, and I have a special guest today. What could it be? I think it's maybe the DJI Mavic Pro. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what we got, shall we? And we have the DJI Mavic Pro. So we got the remote control, and here it is, the DJI Mavic Pro. We have a cable, a charger, and instructions, and a charger, and extra propellers. So here what it comes with: a remote control, cables for your device, the DJI Mavic Pro, extra propellers, charger, and instructions. So here's the DJI Mavic Pro. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. Extend the arm, and then extend the legs. Then extend the propellers, and then extend the other propeller. Extend this, and it's like a transformer. This is awesome! And you can spin this around. So here it is, the DJI Mavic Pro unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And tell me which of your favorite drones is. And thumbs up the video. And I forgot I'm going to play video games. And lower again?
No, you don't need that.
Why?
Okay.
Why were you doing this?